Wake up! It's me, Crazy Boot. Today we're learning how to lock cells in Excel. Enough talk, let's get this done. Take this payroll sheet as an example. You can see it has all the detailed hourly pay rates for each employee. If we don't lock and protect these key data, and some idiot accidentally messes them up, it'll be a total disaster for the finance department. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to lock these cells so they can only be viewed, not edited. First, select the area you want to lock. Right-click, choose Format Cells. Then go to the Protection tab. We need to check if the cells we want to lock are set to locked. By default, all cells are already checked as locked. Click OK. Then go to Review tab. Look right here. Click Protect Sheet. In the pop-up window, you can set a password to lock the cells, or you can just click OK without a password. OK, now, when someone tries to edit or delete your cell content, they'll get a pop-up saying the cell is protected. And if someone tries to unprotect the sheet, they'll need the password you set to edit the cells again. Pretty cool, right? Alright, that's all for today. See you next video.